Good evening, friends. Welcome to Those to Web. And here I'm going to demonstrate the lab program of subject Basic of Java Programming, that is the second semester, and the program number 9. So it is about the package. So already we have discussed earlier. Okay, so about the package. So package will contains, like as you used import java.io, that means it's contain all the classes, right? The similar way, on the basis of this, you are going to create the program, that is create a package p1 p2. So in the package p1 you are going to create a class a, b and c, and the class b is going to inherit from class a. And you have another package p2, and you are going to create a class called d, which is going to inherit from class a, that is package p1, and you are creating another class e. So you are going to demonstrate how the access modifier, which you already know about, that's private, public, protected and defaults. So all these you have to use and write one small Java program. So let's do that. So before this, I'll say that C is asking to create a package. Okay, so what you are going to do here, so you'll be having one package that is called as P1. Okay, now you need another package. Okay, it is called as P2. Okay, so it's asking that you must, in a package P1, you are going to create class A and class B. So in this you have a class that is called A. Okay, and then you will be having another class called B. Okay, and you can see here it says that in package P1 create a class A and class B inherit from A. That means what you are going to do, so you are going to inherit from feature A. So you are going to inherit from A to B. Okay, this is from P1. Then it says that you have another class C also. So in the package only you are going to create another class that is called we are creating a class called C. So this C contains in package P1. Okay, so this C is not going to inherit from any of the class A, class B, but it is inside a package P1 as per mentioned here. And next it is saying that you are going to you should have a package P2 and you have a class D and class E, but D is going to inherit from E. That means here you have the class called D. Okay, and you have another class. I'll create class both together. So you have another class called E. Okay, so these two classes you have, but to say that you can see here the D is going to inherit from class A. That means the properties is going to inherit from this to this. Okay, So the property is like this. And now you are going to use all this access modifier to write a Java program. So guys, it's a program already I have wrote. I'll just show you how to do in Eclipse. So first of all, let's open Eclipse. Okay, so whichever version you are using you can use. Make sure the Java is installed on your system along with your Eclipse. So you have to wait some time. So the Eclipse is open here. So I have previous programs. I just close it, everything. Okay. So what I do, because it's a package program, so first what you do, the same way how we create the basic about a project. So we'll do that. So file, new, Java project. You give the project name, my package. Okay, I can give anything name. Okay, let it by default whatever you have set to execute. Make sure you are not going to click on create model info. It's should be unchecked, and just you can finish it off. So you can see that the my package is created and src folder are there and necessary JRE are there. So here what you are going to do, you have to click on right click on the source, right click, because it's a package program, so you have to right click on new, and you can see there is an option called package. So once again I'll tell you, go to right click on src, new, and click on package. So as per this, it says that you have to create a package p1. Okay, you can see here you must have a package p1. So you can give p1 also package name, no problem. You can use anything. I'll be giving, so package p1 is there. I can use for identify com.p1. You can use like com.p1. Even you can use my.p1, anything like this. So must be the some name you have to give, right? It's package name. So whatever you like to give, you can give. So I'll give your com.p1. So make sure you are giving small letter, capital letter. That is very important here. Okay, I'll create com.p1 and click on finish. So you can see here package is created. So we need another package. Let's create first both packages. com.p2. Okay, so both packages is created. Now as you can see here, it's mentioned in package p1 class A, class B, class C are there, and package p2 you have D and E. So what you have to do, now right click on com.p1, new, and you must create a file, or you can create class also, whichever you want. Okay, you can, if you want class only, you can create class, and you can give the class name, right? As is mentioned here, you should have class name A. Do you want public, any method, whatever you want, you can give it. Okay, so this way is also one way. But what I'll do, I'll create a file. So go to new file. So my class name will be A. So I'll give a.java. Okay, sorry guys. So what we have done actually, you can see here I'm writing this program in p1, but it is e.java. So that's what is giving error. So actually I have to put this file into a.java. You can see how there is no error, right? So must save it. Okay, so now I have to take b.java the similar way. Now package I'm creating. So hope you remember, it's mentioned that class B should be in package p1. So I am creating package p1, which is in package p1, and it say that you are going to inherit. So you know very well, whenever you want to inherit, so we are going to use extend. So I'm going to inherit the feature of A. Okay, and similarly one small program. So just take it, this one. This is in class B. So I'll go to the b.java and I'll save it. You can see here there is no error is there. Okay. The next you say that C is separate class, but it's in package P1. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just take a private variable and same public method. So only two things are there. So public variables and a private method of W. So I'll just copy my program. Okay. And I'll go to c.java, paste it. Okay, save it. Now D in package P2, right? So you can see here I'm putting in package P2 my D, and D extend the from class A. So remember guys, when you are going to inherit the feature from A, so it's public, and that is access specifier, class name extends, but this class A belongs to which package? So package is com.p1. So you must specify com.p1.a. So that means I'm going to access features of A from package P1. Okay, and you can see here I'm going to use here protected. Okay, similarly, just you have two different public methods. So let's copy and paste it into d.java. I'll paste it into d.java for error. And similarly, it asks that a package another class E, that should be a separate file. So I'm just taking very simple, nothing is there, just no inheritance features here. So I'll go to d.java, paste it, save it. Okay, so this I have done. Now we have created all the packages, but how to run finally? So you know very well, whenever you are going to run, you must have a main method. So where is the main method? So for that, you have to create another class which is going to call all these classes to execute. How to do that? So to do that, you can see here I'm creating name package demo.java file. So you go to your file, go to the main src, don't click on p1 p2, your tick mark, that the selection should be in src, right click new and click on same file. So file name is package demo.java. You can create accordingly anything, you can whatever you want is up to you. So I'll just finish it off. Okay, you can see here package demo.java is created. So now what I want, so we have several classes. You can see here class A, B, C, D, E, N, and it's in different packages, right? So I'm going to import. So that's why whenever you write any Java program, import java.io, right, dot asterisk semicolon. So whenever you write this, that means you are going to import the classes, whatever the functionality of inside input output packages that you are going to access. So now by default here, because we are using the Eclipse editor, so you can no need to write the basic import package. Now we have to import all these classes, class A, class B, class C, class D, class C into the main Java file. So you can see here I have imported package P1, P2. So P1 and P2. So P1 3 classes, P2 2 classes. Okay, and we have main method, that means main class, main method. I'm going to create an object of class A in package P1. So you know very well, to create object class name A is equal to new keyword and A class name. So what you are going to do, we have method a.setX, so object name dot method name, pass the parameter, similarly pass the parameter void and print this. Now you are going to create class object of class B in package P1. The similar way you are going to set it. Now you are going to create a class object of class C. So I have set for class C. Now I'm going to set for D. I'm setting for D, and similarly I'm setting for E, and just run it. So I'll just copy now here this from import. Okay, so I'll go to my Eclipse, paste this, there is no error you can see here. Save it, and to run, you know very well, just right click, run as Java application. So once you run, you can see here the output has come. The value is initial x, you can see here. So we have already passed 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, okay, now 60, 70, 80 and 90 and 100. So it has, the value has been printed using all the access public, private and protect access specifier. Okay, so like this way you can just execute your package program. So it's not only this is the way to write the package program. You can use any method, any methodology. There are a number of ways you can apply your own logic and you can execute it. So if you like this video, please give a like and must subscribe my channel, and you can share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, you can write a question in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.